Hi everyone, we're going to unbox the Marvel 80 Years Mega Crate from LootCrate. Now you can see that Marvel celebrated 80 years last October, but they were ending a little bit behind. But it's here now, and so we're going to take a look at it and see what's inside. So it's got some nice Marvel artwork on the box itself, and it's got covering a yellow sort of, not quite tissue paper, but whatever you call it, to cover up and so you can have the big reveal of a black bag. So we'll open this first, see what this is. It is a Marvel 80th jacket, like a soccer jacket. It's got the Marvel 80 logo on the side here, and on the back it has the Marvel Comic Group 1939 logo, which is pretty cool. So it zips up. Inside you can see the Marvel label. So that seems nice. Actually a long sleeve t-shirt. And it's got Spider-Man Spider-Sense going crazy with a bunch of different heroes, Avengers, so on and so forth. On the sleeves, actually just on the right sleeve, it's got various Marvel Comics logos from the past. So it's actually pretty cool. I don't know how many of these, the history on all these, because I know Marvel went through many iterations, but it ends with the Marvel 80 Years logo on the bottom. And there's a pin, Marvel Comics Group with Spider-Man, the House of Ideas. It's a nice quality weight to it. And I believe these are some Black Widow socks. We'll open them up. So they got sort of a yellow on the palm of the foot, I guess, and then on this top it's got the Black Widow logo with a red border. It's a Marvel 80th anniversary cap. It's got the Marvel logo on the front, the Marvel 80 logo on the back, and on the brim it's got sort of classic comic book imagery. Open it up. Oh, and it's a Marvel pin set. So you've got Spider-Man again, Iron Man, Hulk, Captain America, Black Panther, and Thor. These are more like the enamel style, not so much the cloisonne like the other one. They're shiny and flat as opposed to this other Spider-Man one. And then finally, we got vintage drinking glass for X-Men. It says collect them all, Rogue and Wolverine. I'm not quite sure which one I got. Looks like I got Rogue. Take out the bubble wrap. These remind me a lot of those McDonald's glasses. They got the X-Men logo on the bottom and Rogue here on the side. It's kind of got like a mason jar feel. It's not a straight glass. It kind of peels up in the top here. So, and very, at least this one is a very 90s look, like straight out of Videopolis. And then finally you got this card here. This one looks like you flap it open and it tells you everything that's inside. So there's the Marvel History long sleeve tee, which we talked about, the flat brim hat, the X-Men vintage drinking glass. It does say that these are hand wash only, not dishwasher safe. So, and I was right. They say they're trying to be like a 90s fast food joint. So it's not just me. The Black Widow's socks were actually inspired by her first appearance in Tales of Suspense number 52 in 1964. The pin set and they call the Spider-Man pin the premium comic seal badge. And then you have the limited edition jacket. So that's everything here. Kind of a mess right now, but that's everything that's in this Marvel 80th anniversary crate. We look forward to sharing more loot crates as they come, and thanks for watching Laughing Place.